Bitcoin is smashing through new all-time highs and the numbers are hard to ignore. Just recently, spot Bitcoin ETFs saw a record-breaking $1.18 billion in inflows on a single day. So far this year, we're looking at about $51 billion pouring in. That's not just retail money. Heavy hitters like BlackRock, Fidelity, and MicroStrategy are doubling down, bringing a whole new level of credibility and momentum to the space. There's more at play than just big names buying in. The US dollar has been trending weaker, and that's making risk assets like Bitcoin even more attractive. When the dollar slides, investors start searching for alternatives, and Bitcoin's scarcity becomes a huge draw. Policy winds are shifting too. The US Senate just passed the Genius Act, and with the Clarity and Anti-CBDC Acts on the table, regulatory clarity is getting closer. Throw in a Trump-aligned administration floating the idea of a national Bitcoin reserve, and it's easy to see why sentiment's turning so bullish. And let's talk about momentum. A classic short squeeze just wiped out around $1 billion in short positions in 24 hours. That's gasoline on the fire for upward price action. So Bitcoin's now at historic highs around $118,000. And if this momentum sticks, analysts are talking potential targets in the $140,000 to $180,000 range. But it's not just Bitcoin in the spotlight. Silver is bursting higher too. We've seen a mad rush for physical metal, especially with supplies in London running tight and US premiums spiking. That's triggered a short squeeze, pushing prices to their highest in over a decade, hovering around $38 to $39 an ounce. There's a strong safe haven demand here as well. With global trade tensions and inflation fears rising, investors are piling into silver. But what really sets silver apart is its industrial story: soaring demand from solar electronics and AI. Supply deficits are projected to hit 148 million ounces this year and 118 million next year. Some are calling this the start of a new supercycle. So here's the bottom line. Bitcoin's rally is powered by institutional adoption, favorable US policy, and technical momentum. Silver's surge is being driven by tight supplies, safe haven flows, and robust industrial demand. Both moves show a clear trend: investors are tilting toward alternative assets as uncertainties and global tensions rise. Remember, these aren't guarantees, just the current landscape. Stay informed, do your own research, and invest wisely.